Alright, there's the 5 stages of investing. Stage number 1, open up a put and take account. You want to save a majority of your money and only spend it in emergencies only. And then you can save around like 20% of it for spending and stuff, but for the majority you just save up.
Stage 2 would be beginning to invest, which would be making a put and take account. You would be already ahead of investors just by saving, and you'd be that closer to making the money.
Stage 3, systematic investing. You put your money in, you put low money in weekly, and you save up for long range, long term, and later in life you'll have money saved up.
Stage number 4 is strategic investing. You put a little bit of your money into different different investments, and then you have a better chance of return.
Stage 5, speculative investing. The most riskiest stage of all. You put in most of your money at a high risk to get more money out of it, and it's a higher chance of you losing your money.
And then the pyramid of investing, which would go from low risk all the way to high risk. You would start off with your low risk, which would be a put and take account. You wouldn't have that really of a risk of losing money. It's pretty much there. And your risk would go up as you go into buying stocks. You would have a moderate risk. You could lose money or you could gain money, as well as auctions or rare items. Same thing, you'd have a moderate risk. You could lose or gain. And your high risk would be collectibles, where it is you'll lose everything or gain a lot.